If you're looking for a beautiful tropical flower for use in the landscape, look for Texas Star Hibiscus. Look at this gorgeous, very large flower. It is a hardy hibiscus, so that does mean that it comes back year after year. Even though we freeze, it is hardy to our temperatures. And these come in beautiful colors. This is the white, of course, but traditionally you'll see that red. Now these get some major height on them. As you can see behind me, we can get upwards of 6 feet in height. So if you're going to use this in the landscape bed, you want to use it towards the back so that it gets that height, so you can have that and then have your smaller perennials and annuals towards the front of the bed. Now this tolerates full sun, can handle drought once it's established, and doesn't have a whole lot of disease or pest pressure, but the pollinators just love it. So this is in the hibiscus family, the Malvaceae family. These blooms will be here for about a day or two, and you'll see more. These actually look like cotton bolls because they're all in the same family. These have those palmate leaves, and like I said, can tolerate full sun. You actually, for the most flower production, you want to put it in the full sun. But this is a hardy hibiscus, native to the United States. Pollinators just love it, and if you need or want these tropical looking flowers and a very large plant, look for Texas Star Hibiscus. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.